Let's make vegan chiles rellenos. If you've never had this dish, prepare yourself because it might be one of your favorites. So first you're gonna get 2 chile poblanos or pasilla chilies. Don't worry, these are not spicy. You're gonna wanna char them over a gas stove or an oven until they just look like that. Then you're gonna wanna put them in some kind of dish and cover them with plastic wrap because this is gonna be easier for the skins to be removed. So once you remove all the charred skins like this, you're gonna start making the quote-unquote egg batter, but we're gonna use chickpea flour. Then you're gonna add some cornstarch, some turmeric, some salt, and then some water. And you're gonna mix this up and hey look, it looks like egg batter, right? So once this is all done, remember this queso fresco recipe we did? You're gonna use that to stuff the pepper. So add that and any of your favorite vegan cheese, and then you're just gonna seal them up really well. Then put them in a dish and you're gonna pour that chickpea batter on top until they're perfectly coated as if they were coated with egg. Look at that. Now you're ready to fry. You're gonna wanna fry these on all sides until they look nice and crispy and golden like that. And now you're ready to add them to a salsa. Sorry I don't have the recipe for this, but you can Google a good one, I promise. And then you're ready to serve and enjoy. Tell me if you're dying to try this recipe.